My name is Major Tom, and this is the Black Rock Observatory. Black Rock Observatory is the first proper observatory built for Black Rock City. When you get out in the Black Rock Desert, provided there's no dust storms, the view of the heavens is just amazing. When you set out into deep playa, you'll see a pair of open doors and a telescope inside. Burners will be able to come inside, get an amazing look at the heavens, whether it be deep sky objects or planets or the moon. There will be a laser planet finder, which will have color-coded lasers pointing out each of the visible planets. We're going to have guest lecturers. We've got physicists, we've got astronomers, aided with laser pointers, and we'll take you on a tour of the sky. Our crew is the Desert Wizards of Mars. Desert Wizards are a very eclectic group of folks. They are engineers, scientists, astrophysicists, fabricators, artists, and architects. It is a strange mixture of talent and craziness. When I first decided that I was going to bring an observatory to Burning Man, I thought, well, I could build a dome, or I can ask Jedi Master Greg Fleischman to build a dome. Surprisingly, very much to my surprise, he said yes.
The new dome is a new system. I just developed it this spring. It's based upon the cube again. It's made of a shape that would have 18 squares and 8 triangles in a spherical form.
The most exciting thing about Greg's style is that it uses all 100% interlocking wood pieces. There's no metal fasteners at all, and there's sort of a beautiful symmetry to it. It's like Greg is some master of geometry.
I developed this really a long time ago. You know, I'm pretty old already, and actually I started this work in 1972 with cubes, and it's based upon a 3D checkerboard of cubes and what happens when you divide alternate cubes in a certain way. Looking at the basic system of what the structure would be, I picked on using these curving plywood parts and slots. Build a model to test it out, and we build the model exactly the way we build the big thing. It's just scaled down at 1/6 scale. Actually, all of the parts fit very well. I was quite surprised that I made no mistakes in the shape of the surface panels. This design is this is its first example, first effort. This is a debut.
Right now we're asking for your help on Kickstarter because we need money for wood. That wood has to be cut. We need a telescope. We've got to buy optics for that telescope. Those optics need to be figured. We've got to hand build this telescope from the ground up. We've got a plan, and we've got the crew, and we've got an amazing design from Greg Fleischman. We're ready to cut a full-size dome and start sanding the pieces and do a test build immediately. So if you're like us and you love art and you love science, help us teach people about the universe that they live in style.